First, hello everyone, and thank you for watching my video. I'm Yogi's Electronics. I am repairing the device for a school. A friend that works there asked me to repair the device. The problem with this device is the safety valve. I'll take a quick look at that. Are you ready? Then let's get started. As you can see, the service technician from the school had already tried to replace the valve, without success. Unfortunately, he drilled out the valve to lose it, and that was wrong. What he didn't know is that the black bracket has to be removed, and there's a screw underneath that you can loose with a ratchet wrench. The bracket wasn't that difficult to get out, because the technician partially broke the bracket, but usually the bracket comes out a lot harder. In this way, it is impossible to unscrew the screw. And you will see why. Under the bracket is the thermostat. In this case, where the bracket is defective, we can no longer use the thermostat, because it is defective. Or, the thermostat is completely destroyed. So I will remove everything. And then I'll try to unscrew the screw. Now we will see how tight the screw is. And believe me, that's the only way to loose the screw. Such screws are very tight, especially the thermostat, where they are never unscrewed. And you will see why. As you can see, the screw is completely oxidized. And that's why you couldn't turn out the thermostat, which of course can be even worse. On some devices that I have repaired so far, on some devices the oxidation has eaten up the entire thread. Which fortunately is not the case here. The internal thread is also partially oxidized, but it looks good. This is very easy to clean with a metal brush. Or clean with a small multi-tool with a metal brush. After cleaning the internal threads with the multi-tool, I had to wait for the replacement part to arrive. In the meantime, I used the device to free the lime scale from the boiler. so you can dispose the old thermostat. Now we will unpack and install the new thermostat. I have a few tips for you on how to prevent or delay oxidation. I always grease the thread before installing it. After the device is washed out, a fine layer remains on top, and the layer prevents further oxidation. And second, before you use the device, you absolutely have to drain 2 tanks of water so that the excess fat and lime residues can be washed out. When you turn the thermostat in, you have to be careful. If you tighten the screw too much, you can break off the upper plastic bracket. So don't over-tight. So for those who don't know, this is the key to the thermostat. Do not over-tighten the thermostat, and you will always be able to unscrew the thermostat without any problems. Now I will fill the water tank. And then we can test the device. You still have to know, the device takes between 5 and 6 minutes until it is ready for use. What do you think? Will the steam cleaner work again? Yes, it works perfectly. Thank you for watching my video. Take care and stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.